Libra April 2021 horoscope. Libra April 2021 horoscope will be a little problematic, but you are able to overcome them with your intrinsic qualities of warmth and flexibility. The focus will be on your love life. Things will be tumultuous in the relationship sector till the 20th. Your partner will lead the way. The first decade for Libra will be the starting point for the search of new horizons. Representatives of the sign should actively engage in self education. Consider participating in a variety of workshops and themed activities. You are full of strength and energy for this. Financial investment in yourselves in the near future will bring great benefits. The middle of the month will be less dynamic than the beginning. The new moon in Aries will allow the representatives of the sign to open their eyes in a new way to the surrounding people. What to do with this is up to you. The middle of the month is a great time for any important decisions. This concerns even buying a car, even playing the lottery. However, luck alone is not enough. First of all, there must be a sober calculation. The horoscope for April 2021 for Libra advises to take care of your health in the third decade. The end of the month is dangerous for people with chronic diseases. It is worth considering a trip to a sanatorium. This is especially true for the elderly. Libra Education Horoscope. An excellent month during which your educational endeavors will have smooth sailing since the stars are in an obliging mood. Those pursuing languages, journalism, and other forms of mass communication would have an extremely beneficial time. In fact, some of them may well go on to score some notable success. Generally, those pursuing the arts can also look forward to a similarly beneficial time. Further, most of you would be blessed with an absorbent mental attitude, whereas your mental faculties would remain much sharper, making learning that much more quicker and easier. Those sitting for competitive examinations can look forward to achieving their objectives with just about the normal effort. Libra Travel Horoscope. Libra Zodiac travel forecast for April 2021 indicates rather bleak prospects for travel activities. Professional and business persons have to travel a lot, but the gains are highly limited. Even exporters and tourism operators will find their businesses shrinking in spite of a large amount of travel they undertake. Holiday tours with friends and family members fail to give the desired enjoyment. You should think twice before you undertake any travel during the month. Libra Health Horoscope. Monthly horoscope for Libra zodiac sign forecasts a trying period for the health of Libra persons. You can lessen the evil effects of the planet by resorting to good food habits and relaxation techniques. Chronic ailments will reappear and require constant medical attention. You should avoid all sorts of excesses and maintain healthy practices. Libra Career Horoscope. As per Horoscope 2021 Libra forecast for professionals, career advancements will be wonderful. Planetary positions are favorable and the environment at the workplace is harmonious, with good cooperation from colleagues and seniors. You will accomplish your projects easily. You can expect handsome promotions and financial rewards this month. You can use your spare time for philanthropic work and social service. Libra Finance Horoscope. Libra Finance Horoscope for the month of April 2021 is not very auspicious for business people. Even traders and exporters will find their businesses growing very slowly and revenues will be static. Creative people will suffer the most as there will be no takers for their products. You will fail to get the backing of financial agencies. The month is not favorable for the commencement of new business projects. Investments will not be profitable. Libra love and relationship horoscope. April 2021 horoscope for Libra love relationship indicates that the influence of Saturn and Jupiter is seen in the progress in the method of love. Love will be permanent without any frills. During the first 3 weeks of the month, love will be basic and it can be made attractive. Libra compatibility will be dominated by your partner during the first 3 weeks of the month and you will be forced to be a silent spectator. After that, your passion will take over. This is a good month to plan for a child. You're ready for an honest commitment that yields growth for both parties in a partnership. Allow time away from everyday hassles for a secluded period of intimacy from the 20th and through the moon on the 22nd. Singles will meet their love mates unexpectedly during the first 3 weeks of the month. After that, you will attract the opposite sex with your charm. Taurs are also quite helpful in forming new relationships. Libra family horoscope. April 2021 horoscope is propitious for family matters. The family atmosphere will be very cordial and there will be good relation with the senior members of the family. You will have the support of all the family members in your activities. Family finances will be up to the mark. Children will do well in their studies due to the congenial environment in the family. Even the stars are supportive for their activities. They will have very good relationships with family members. Children studying commerce and fine arts tend to do extremely well in their academic pursuits. Thanks for watching the video.